Hello, my name is Noelio Hernandez, and this is my presentation about article review. My article review is view of patient with multimorbidity on what is important for patient-centered care in the primary care setting. Now I turn off around my camera for I show you my article review. Okay. For my problem statement is in the Netherlands general practitioner coordinate care for patients with multi-morbidity. However, the organization of high-quality primary care for this patient population is currently a great challenge in the healthcare delivery. Gap in the literature. The research do take in account the point of view of the general practitioner and other providers. The population sample is too small in order to create a general consensus about the research problem. Purpose of a statement. The present study thus aimed to identify view of patients with morbidity on the relative importance of patient-centered care delivery related aspect in the Dutch primary care setting. Tentative research. In tentative research is based on the approach type provided. This paper research applied an inductive approach to its research problem. The paper starts with a specific observation to get a general conclusion about it. Now, question picot. Are those patients with multimorbidity requiring different needs and ways of care delivered under the patient-centered care delivery related aspected in the Dutch primary care setting? And information, patients with multimorbidity are often considered to constitute a vulnerable and complex population with high risk of morbidity and high utilization of care, and they often are less satisfied with their care. Primary care falls short of adequate and optimal care delivery for this patient. For one single disease-oriented. Guidelines are not the most suitable. The present study thus aimed to identify view of patients with multimorbidity on the relative importance of PCC aspect in Dutch primary care setting. Now, the alternative hypothesis, despite the throughout extensive description of PCC, it's still not clear what PCC looks like in practice for patients with multimorbidity. Now, the test, the hypothesis that interviews were conducted with 16 patients with multimorbidity using QUIT methodology, which combined quantitative and qualitative analysis. The participants ranked 28 statements about the 8 dimensions of PCC by relative importance by person factor analysis using centroid factor extraction and Varimax rotation were used to reveal factors that represent viewpoint. Qualitative interview data were used to interpret the viewpoints. Now, in the result, we can find the analysis revealed 3 factors representing 3 distinct viewpoints of patients with multimorbidity. On what is important for patient-centered care in the primary care setting. The patients with viewpoint 1 are prepared, proactive patients who seem to be well off and want to be in charge of their own care. To do so, they seek medical information and prefer to be supported by a strongly coordinated multidisciplinary team of healthcare professionals. Patients with viewpoint 2 are everyday patients who visit GPS and require well-coordinated, respectful, and supportive care patients. Patients with viewpoint 3 are vulnerable patients who are less resourceful in the term of communication skill, and financed, and thus require accessible care and professional taking the lead, will treating them with dignity and respect. In conclusion, the findings of these studies suggest that not all patients with multimorbidity require the same type of care delivery, and that not all aspects of PCC delivery are equally important to all patients. And that is my article review. For more information, can you see my all paper? Thank you.